Đi. Con chơi xong rồi xong chơi với mẹ và em nha. Con đi chơi scooter hả? Đi câu với mama. Đi câu chơi scooter. So I'll take my baby out, my eyes out. Okay, something get into my eyes. So there's rice. So I'm going to feed my chicken with rice and corn and give them some water. Johnny, let's go. Johnny. My mom needs to wear boots. Or maybe later daddy can give them. Mama just give them rice. Yeah. Johnny, wait. Mama cho gà ăn đã. Okay? Wait, don't go by yourself there. Johnny, wait, có xe. Đi theo mama đã. Mama cho gà ăn đã. I have to feed my chicken. So they are hungry all day. I'll just give them when I go back from work at school. See? They are all hungry. See? The chicken waiting. Here, chicken. Okay, let's go back with my baby. My baby wants to play scooter. Oh. I fall. Okay, Johnny, now you can play scooter. Mama will walk you, okay? Okay, thank you for waiting. Okay, Johnny? Okay, go, play. He loves to play scooter. Oh, go back. Go back now. Oh, go back, Johnny.
I'm moving.
Hả? Okay. Good job. Okay. Okay. Rồi, stop, John. John. Stop. Rồi, stop. Stop. Don't go too far, okay? Go back. Car. Okay, stop. Stop. Wear your shoe. Con phải mang shoe chứ. You have to wear your shoes.
No, wait.
Con không có wear shoe con đâu là sao? Don't go too fast. Car. Rồi, go back. Stop there. Go back.
Where is it?